Hello everyone. Next we're going to be drawing little insects or birds out of numbers. So like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, we're going to be drawing a beetle out of 1, a swan out of 2, a bunny out of 3 and out of 4 we will be doing a hen. As you can see, add the curves wherever the numbers have been. Color it in as you are done with the drawing as you wish to do so. Now we will be drawing a bird out of the number 5. Add the curves where the number once was and add little feet for the bird. Out of 6 we will be drawing a snail. Just add more curves to 6 as it already was and add a sluggish body. Add some antenna and a smile on the snail's face to make it look even cuter. Color it as such. Next, we are going to be drawing a new sort of house. So draw a triangular body to make the thatched roof and then make it look like the house is on the ground. So draw the ground as well. And then add a chimney signifying out of which smoke is coming out. Draw a pathway to the door and add a little fence to one of the sides. On the other side, draw a tree and out of the tree, show that bushes are coming out as well. Draw the clouds and add a sun as well coming out of one of the clouds. You can also add birds. And on the front yard of the porch of the house, you can add more grass. Begin to color in the house in any sort of colors we want. We have chosen orange for the roof and next fill in the trees with green, the grass and everything else. Next, we will be making an illusionary Peppa Pig that makes it look like Peppa Pig is eating something. So fold over a sheet of paper and draw Peppa Pig on the paper, but only draw half of his face on one half of the paper. Now open up the paper and connect it as such to make it look like Peppa Pig's mouth is open and draw his tongue to show the fruits that he will be eating. Now open and close the paper as such to make it look like he's eating. Next, we will be drawing an alien. Take the help of your hand to make that shape and then draw lines and patterns as you please. You may get creative with this process, but this is what we have chosen to do. Add eyes and a mouth and a form of ears. Then add a neck, make it as curvy as possible to give the alien a sort of look. And then add shoulders, color in the alien as you please and do it with sketches. However, do it in lines so that no other portion is darker than the other. Fill in the eyes of the alien. We have chosen to do this with yellow. You may also fill in the face with different colors. Once again, we have chosen to do this with grey. Now color in the clothes part of the alien. We have decided to do the collars with red and proceeded with which we will color the rest of his body. So as you can see, we have chosen to take purple for the rest of his clothes. You may choose whichever color you like. Thank you for watching.